Captain Blush, hey. What's the camera on?
Yes.
Unzoom, hey, unzoom that. Did you unzoom it?
Yes, I did.
Am I on the camera now?
Yes.
First I will hi say to all subscribers.
I will say hi.
First I will say hi to all subscribers and the viewers. I salute you, hey. Thanks for all support and for visiting our channel where you can find the best RC, amateur fun videos without editing.
Yes.
Yes, Captain Blush, that's the point. Now, the story of today. What do we have today? The VIPER jet again.
Second flight.
Second flight with the VIPER jet.
Hopefully this time we're going to get it in the air because I have mowed the lawn.
We must take off from our runway, otherwise why to have this plane if we cannot fly it here?
Why?
Now on the last time...
Why?
Why? Tell me why, Captain Blush, hey? We must find the truth about this, hey. Can we fly on the grass or can we not, hey?
Nothing but the truth, so help me God.
Yeah, help me God, hey. Now we have done the close up and upskirt with that beautiful Focke-Wulf right now. And we have done the maiden flight with this
Focke-Wulf
location.
190.
Yes, hey, Captain Blush, but now this is the star. Now we have done the maiden flight with this on the other location.
Yes.
That we weren't very familiar with, and the landing wasn't the perfect landing. Because we all know that I do the perfect landings, and since then I had a bitter taste in my mouth.
You have nightmares every day.
Yes, nightmares every night because of that landing.
You were waking up in the middle of the night screaming.
Yeah, screaming, sweating because all that crazy landing. Now Captain Blush has cut the grass on our runway.
Oh yeah.
We have changed the battery for a smaller one. Now that is something that usually we don't do. We always try to fly our planes with the bigger packs for that extra sweet, sexy minute of flying.
Bigger is not always the better.
No, not in this world, eh? We have realized that here smaller is better, eh? Now,
yeah, depends who you
anything else to say? 1.5 meter wingspan. What, Captain Blush? That's okay. Hey, leave that. Hey, you will break it. Hey.
It's crooked.
1.5 meter wingspan on 6 cell with 4,000 battery and
4,000 batteries.
4,000 batteries, yeah, yes. And 90 millimeter 11 blade fan. Now, if this baby will take off today, now this will be the best video ever because.
If not, so what?
Who cares? Eh? We must try. And no. This will be the video where we will try to do the perfect landing, and not just the landing, Captain Blush, but what? The sound test.
Yes.
Because here I can fly with full speed.
We're going to break the sound barrier.
Yes.
1.1 Mach.
Now, Captain Blush, you will do the best filming ever, because we don't have more than 3 minutes time with this. If we will take off, now that is in the God's hand, hey. Yes. I pray for the takeoff. Because I want to hear this baby at a full speed on our new camera.
Run like Forrest Gump did.
Oh, Captain.
Run, Forrest, run.
Should I take the whole runway or what?
Should I, could I?
Should I, could I? Because on the maiden flight, it didn't need so much space to take off.
No. Here is different story. Viewers can't hear you so far.
It will be enough here.
Go further back. Okay.
Are you ready?
Yes. Look at this beauty.
For the maiden flight with
Vampire.
jet on our runway, Captain Blush.
VIPER jet. Oh, you found the hole.
I will deploy some flaps, eh? Okay?
Yes. We can see the flaps. yeah!
Film the retracts, Captain Blush. Are you ready?
Yes, go fast! Oh, where is it? It has almost didn't manage it.
Oh, Captain Blush, I'm so happy with this takeoff now. Really happy.
I have to
now
tell
I
you,
will
this is,
quickly do.
I have to tell you, this plane is much harder to film than the other one. It's
I will do a slow flyby. Look at this.
it is slim.
I will preserve the juice for the passes. Now I will do the fast flyby, Captain Blush.
Yes, go
There is no
further
other
back.
way while we still have time. I will just go back and with full throttle, Captain Blush.
Okay, now.
Ooh. Look how beautiful this flight, and look at this. One more?
Yes, do it
One
again.
more for the viewers.
Okay.
Now this is so easy to handle this. Now I don't believe this, Captain Blush. Look at this, hey. It's like a trainer. Look. I will just fly slowly. Look. Look, almost no power. Look. Look. Hey, zoom the Captain Blush, hey. You know that we don't have much time and you are filming the transmitter now. I don't
Yes.
believe this, hey.
30 seconds.
30 seconds left. You have to prepare for the landing already.
This was so quick, hey.
Yes.
Now, I will do
Fun
just
things always
one fast
go
flyby,
quickly.
Captain Blush, because on the last flight, when I know that we had a little extra time to spare.
1. Time expired.
I will deploy the landing gear. Do you see it?
Yes. I'm filming it.
And the flaps. I will just make one cruise.
No.
With the takeoff flaps. I must, hey, I must for the viewers say, look at this. Now we'll go slowly back and do the best landing ever. And I will deploy the full flaps there. Now I have the full flaps.
Full flaps.
Yes.
Oh yeah. 3-point landing.
1 minute over.
Taxi here. Go on the left side of the runway. There are less holes there.
Look at that grass. Did you see it?
Yes.
Look. One more for the viewer sake. Look at this.
You can sweep the runway.
I'll go behind, hey. I will show you. slowly cut. Oh, Captain Blush, this is it, eh? But this is it. This was such a great flight for me, eh? I'm really happy now. Now, I still had a lot of problems to take off, but it did eventually. It needed all this runway, but once this plane is in the air, it's just beautiful, eh? It flies so easy, like a trainer. Now I can recommend this plane to anybody, eh? Now it would be great if we just put it a little roller over the runway, and then this would be the perfect grass flyer, the perfect, eh? And the sound is just awesome, eh? Now I just wish that I could fly this on 5,000 battery to have maybe 4 minutes of flying. Now you can do that if you put the electronics in the front, and then you can put your battery more in the back. And this is it, Captain Blush. Anything else to say?
No.
Perfect flying, eh? Now I will be able to sleep tonight, eh?
Yes.
Really, eh? I won't have nightmares anymore. I will hang this baby over my office desk, and I will admire it every day, eh? Because
Yes.
I don't think that this will be on the runway this year anymore.
No.
Maybe next year. So we will all say goodbye to this beautiful baby that I really recommend from Taft Hobby. Yes, this is it.
Yes.
I will salute all the pilots. Thanks for watching.
And see you soon.
Congratulations to me for another great flight with the perfect landing. Eh?
Yes, you're the best pilot ever.
Yeah, and you're the best viewers and the best subscribers, our best friends. We could never imagine to have such a good friends all over the world just because of this great hobby. This
Yes.
is great, Captain Blush. Now cut the camera off.